Okay, so listen, if you love sweet potatoes, and you can do this with regular potatoes, by the way, and spicy, then you're gonna love this. This is a spicy mashed sweet potato. It's delicious. It's healthy. It's vegetarian. It's vegan. It's really simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in the center there, I've got about 4 cups of sweet potato mash. So you just saw me do that. So what I've done is I kept the skin on, give it a scrub, boiled it away with a little bit of salt and simply just mashed it. There's nothing else in there. 1 cup of onion cut nice and small. Same with tomato. The big 4, teaspoon each, turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. 2-3 teaspoons of black mustard seeds, fresh chili to taste, dried chili to taste. I mean, I'm going to go with, there's about 4 or 5 there, I think. A tablespoon ginger garlic paste. So in my pan there, I've got coconut oil, 2 tablespoons, just going to melt that down. We're on and above medium heat. So just as that's melting, we're now going to add in our dried red chili, as much or as little as you like, and the black mustard seeds. Just for 60 to 90 seconds, spin these around in the oil. They'll infuse it, give it a wonderful flavor. Then we're going to add that 1 cup of onion that I cut nice and small. I'm going to add some salt. I'm also going to add black pepper to this one, and I'm going to be quite generous with the black pepper. And we're going to go for 3 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, fresh chili to taste. And I've put mine in big like that. You can chop it small if you want. 1 cup tomato. Try and use a nice ripe, juicy tomato if you can. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. And then the big 4, teaspoon each. Turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander. In that goes. Stay on this vibrant heat, 4 to 5 minutes now. Stir often. Really, really brilliant stuff this is. Okay, we're going to get our mashed sweet potato. And you can do this with regular mashed potato if you want, but I think the sweet potatoes make it a bit more kind of special. And we're going to go for 5 minutes now, frying this around, mixing it in and frying and frying. Again, stay on this vibrant heat. Nearly done. Okay, off goes the heat. Job done. If you want, get some fresh cilantro or coriander chopped in there and mixed. And you could have started this off with some fresh curry leaves as well. That would be really nice in there. But that is beautiful, simple. And there you have it. That really, really is delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.